Dawn on Thursday, February 26, 2026, cast Cincinnati in muted grays and lavenders. The city awoke beneath a sky that seemed to press gently down, softening the edges of buildings and bridges alike. The Ohio River mirrored the Roebling Bridge's lights, shimmering quietly as the city remained still and expectant, its surface undisturbed by wind or current. A damp chill lingered in the air, not quite winter, not yet spring, a morning holding its breath, suspended between seasons. Yesterday's warmth clung to the city's concrete, a subtle buffer against the cold front creeping in, as if the city itself was reluctant to let go of comfort. While most people slept, the city's digital nervous system was already tracking the approaching change, quietly monitoring every shift in temperature and pressure. The sky was a flat sheet of high clouds, belying the forecast of snow, hiding the drama that would soon unfold. It was a deceptive calm, normal on the surface, but beneath, data streams and predictive algorithms buzzed with urgency, orchestrating preparations invisible to the eye. The great American tower's crown vanished into the mist. Streetlights glowed on empty streets, and sensors stood ready, quietly gathering information. What you saw was only part of the story. The real action was invisible, unfolding in real time, as the city's infrastructure braced for what was coming. The city's icons stood as silent witnesses to the coming shift, their outlines softened by mist and anticipation. Everything looked ordinary, but the stage was set for a classic Ohio Valley weather battle. Beneath the calm, workers and machines prepared for the first flakes. Snow was imminent, and the city's unseen systems were already preparing, ensuring Cincinnati would be ready for whatever the day would bring. By 2026, forecasting storms is a high-tech, minute-by-minute operation, where every second counts and technology leads the way. Nowcasting blends NOAA's satellite imagery with real-time data, tracking every atmospheric shift as it happens, capturing the pulse of the weather with remarkable accuracy. Advanced AI models run thousands of simulations every minute, learning from subtle changes invisible to humans and constantly refining their predictions with each new data point. Cincinnati's infrastructure is wired with thousands of microsensors on bridges, roads, and traffic lights, feeding hyperlocal data into the system, creating a digital nervous system for the city. This data tells the AI not just what the weather is, but how it's affecting each street and overpass, revealing hidden dangers before they become visible. The result, a living, dynamic weather map that predicts trouble spots before snow even falls, giving the city a crucial head start. The system flagged bridges and viaducts as high-risk zones, anticipating slick conditions and alerting crews to act before accidents happen. This information was instantly pushed to traffic management, public works, and directly to citizens' devices, ensuring everyone is informed and ready. The city's response was coordinated before the first flake hit the ground, with teams mobilized and resources deployed in advance. It's a seamless fusion of data and action, transforming how cities handle winter weather and keeping communities safer than ever before. The days of being caught off guard are over, replaced by preparedness and peace of mind. Now, every storm is met with precision, speed, and a city ready to weather whatever comes next. At 7:15, the first wet flakes drifted down, picturesque but short-lived. The city seemed to pause, as if holding its breath, watching the gentle start of what was to come. Within minutes, snow intensified, visibility dropped, and the city was veiled in white. Buildings faded into the swirling curtain and streetlights glowed softly through the haze. Commuters were already on the roads as the storm hit its stride, headlights cutting through the thickening snow. Pavement sensors showed a rapid temperature drop. Main highways stayed just above freezing, but bridges cooled fast. The difference was subtle, but critical for safety. Snow melted on contact with warm roads, turning highways into slushy ribbons. Tires splashed through the mix, sending up arcs of dirty water. Elevated surfaces, exposed to cold air, quickly glazed over, just as AI models predicted. these hidden hazards appeared almost instantly. Digital signs flashed: ice possible on bridges. Reduce speed. Warnings blinked urgently above the traffic. The Brent Spence Bridge became a focus, its surface dipping to freezing and forming a thin, dangerous glaze. Drivers approached with heightened caution, aware of the risk. Drivers slowed, their commutes transformed from routine to cautious. The usual rush faded, replaced by careful progress. Salt trucks, guided by AI, targeted only the riskiest spots, bridges and overpasses, saving time and resources. Technology made every move count. The city's response was surgical, not sweeping. Crews focused their efforts where it mattered most. The familiar morning drive became a careful procession through a transformed landscape. Each block looked different, blanketed in white. The sound of tires changed from hum to hiss as slush built up. Every turn and stop required new attention. Public works moved swiftly, keeping critical routes safe. Their coordination was seamless, almost invisible to most. The storm's impact was blunted by technology and preparation. Smart systems monitored every shift in weather and traffic. Cincinnati's smart systems turned a potential crisis into a manageable event, proving that innovation and readiness can change the outcome of even the fiercest storms. The secret to this storm's fleeting impact was yesterday's warmth. Roads and sidewalks still holding heat, melted snow on contact. Only exposed bridges and overpasses cooled fast enough for slick spots to form. The snow itself was heavy and wet, quick to melt, slow to accumulate. Air temperatures hovered just above freezing, tipping the balance toward slush, not snowpack. Friction from tires added warmth, keeping most roads just wet. The result, dramatic visuals, but little real accumulation. The city's main arteries stayed clear, while only isolated spots became hazardous. A shift of 1 or 2 degrees would have changed everything. Today, the ground's memory of spring won out over winter's punch. The storm looked fierce, but physics kept it in check. For most, it was more spectacle than disruption. Cincinnati's infrastructure absorbed the blow and bounced back quickly. For commuters, the storm was a test of modern technology. Cars received real-time alerts, heavy snow ahead, bridge temperatures, traction status, directly on dashboards. Vehicle-to-infrastructure communication warned drivers of hazards before they saw them. Navigation apps rerouted traffic based on live road conditions, prioritizing safety over speed. Each car became a rolling sensor, feeding data back into the system. Emergency response was faster. Minor accidents triggered instant dispatch, clearing incidents before they caused backups. The city's network kept traffic moving and accidents down. Technology turned a chaotic commute into a coordinated, safer journey. The Ohio River marked a sharp weather boundary. North of the river, Cincinnati saw heavy, wet snow. Just south, in Kentucky, it was cold rain. Advanced radar and sensors tracked the rain-snow line in real time, showing a clear divide. Commuters received alerts. Rain, changing to snow, north of the river. Prepare for slick bridges. Public works in Kentucky held back salt trucks, saving resources. The system's precision response prevented waste and improved safety. Meteorologists used the data to refine AI models, learning how the river valley shapes weather. Each event makes the system smarter for next time. The city's technology turned a meteorological challenge into a learning opportunity. Microclimates were mapped and managed with unprecedented accuracy. The feedback loop between weather and response grew stronger. By mid-morning, the snow tapered to flurries and the sun broke through. Accumulation vanished quickly as temperatures climbed and roads dried. Salt trucks finished their targeted runs. Any lingering ice melted away. By noon, it was hard to tell it had snowed at all. The city's rapid, tech-driven response minimized disruption and accidents. People arrived at work safely, if a bit late. The morning's chaos faded into memory as blue skies returned. Cincinnati's systems, human and digital, proved their resilience. The The fleeting storm was a minor inconvenience, not a crisis. Cincinnati's storm was part of a global weather and technology network. AI models drew on data from around the world, learning from storms in the UK and beyond. International collaboration drives innovation. Algorithms and solutions are shared across continents. Lessons from London or Stockholm help optimize Cincinnati's response. The UK's expertise in rapid forecasting now powers systems in the Ohio Valley. Every event, everywhere, feeds into a smarter, more resilient global network. Today's snow in Cincinnati, tomorrow's typhoon in the Pacific. The same satellites, the same data. Our interconnected world turns local storms into shared progress. As the sun returned, Cincinnati bounced back, markets reopened, bike shares resumed, and energy grids adjusted in real time. The city's resilience was on full display. Technology and lifestyle seamlessly intertwined. Vertical farms thrived, unaffected by the morning snow. The afternoon's calm masked a brewing threat. Forecast models hinted at a major storm for the coming week. AI ensembles aligned on a scenario: deep Gulf moisture, Arctic air, a classic winter setup. Today's event was a drill. The main event loomed ahead. The city's systems were already preparing, running simulations and refining plans. Cincinnatians enjoyed the sunshine, but stayed alert. In a changing climate, calm is just a prelude. The city stands ready, resilient, innovative, and prepared for whatever comes next.